Here we are going to factor by grouping. We can break into groups and then look for the greatest common factor in each group. The GCF, or greatest common factor, of the left is x squared, and the GCF of the right is 5. X cubed has 3 x's, and let's rewrite 10 into its factors. So we can see here that we have our common factors. So let's rewrite the left like this. And what's left is this x plus 2. And pull out the 5 on the right group, and we are left with this x plus 2. And so we have this x plus 2 in common. And so that is a common factor, and we get times our remaining x squared plus 5. And we are left with our factored form. For this one, we need to multiply our first and last numbers because we need to find a breakdown for 5x that allows us to factor out in each group. So it needs to divide out of both the first and the last. So we can multiply them to make sure that works. Let's find the factors for 14. Both 2 and 7 will divide out of these factors. Now, because our last term is negative, one of the factors in each group must be negative because we need them to multiply to be negative 7. So which one should it be? Where should our negative go? Well, we know that they need to add up to be the middle term, which is 5. So which factors with a negative will add up to be positive 5? This one looks right. What do you think? So if we add negative 2 plus 7, we get 5, which is what we want, which is the middle term. So we take our factors, and we want to break down our 5x into 2 groups. So negative 2 can go here, and 7 can go here. Let's find the GCF for this group. It's 2x, and this GCF is 7. So we have our 2x in common. So let's pull that one out. Let's see what's left over with those pulled out. Here we have an x minus, and then we don't see it, but there is a 1 there. Because we are dividing that 2 out by 2, which leaves 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have x minus 1. And over on the right, we have our 7 in common. So we pull that 7 out. And what do we have left with these divided out? What is left is x minus 1. Again, we get that 1 there because we are dividing 7 by 7. And now following the same steps, we have an x minus 1 in common. So we can pull it out times 2x plus 7. So this is our factored form.